Hi everyone, this is Mick Leon, and for today's vlog, we have a special guest.
This is Mika.
This is Mira Mian.
And I'm the one and only Rachel.
So, do you have guys any idea kung anong gagawin natin ngayon?
Are we going on an adventure?
Maybe a trip.
What trip?
Trip to Jerusalem!
Oh, we forgot. We already planned this. Can you show me the list? We have list, right?
Yes.
We'll do it. Yeah.
So for today's vlog, we'll show you some places or mga lugar na pwede nating pagtambayan or puntahan here at Carmona City.
So what are we waiting for? Bomba na! Kaya huwag na natin itong patagalin pa. Alam na! So, doon tayo. Now, we are going to a famous bakery shop here at Carmona City. It is located at Carmona Estates near at Nuestra Church. Kilala sila it is because sa hindi lang masarap, ngunit mura din nilang tinapay na tinitinda. At hindi lang yon, they also have meal that you can enjoy. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara at subukan ang Ziliana's Bakery Shop.
So, hi everyone, we are at Zilana's Bakery Shop. So, here we order 4 pieces of sugar donut and 2 pieces of cinnamon roll. So, Zilana's Bakery Shop is located at Phase 2 Carmona Estate. Katapat lang po siya ng simbahan ng Nuestra.
So now, we are going to our second spot, the Davelan Park, where you can relax while enjoying the beautiful scenery of our nature. So ngayon, naghahanap na kami ng spot kung saan pwede kaming tumambay at kumain. So hi guys, we finally here in Davelan. So we're finding a spot na magandang...
She was a fairy.
And she was a ferret too! Hi everyone, we are finally here at Davelan! So, what are we waiting for? Tara na kumain.
So,
Nasaan yung akin? One
here
piece
are
chicken,
yung
large
ano,
fries,
ito yung
plus
mga
Coke.
in-order namin sa Zalanas Bakery Shop. So,
Yes.
dito namin sila kakainin.
FT to guys.
FT.
Yes, collaboration with Baka. Kung makikita nyo lang sila ngayon dito, malapit-lapit sila sa amin.
Hindi lang malapit, madami
Girl,
din
go.
sila dito.
Get one and pass. Get one and pass! Para OE.
It's yummy, it's sarap. I like this mango.
Mango. Parang walang mango doon. It tastes like donut.
It tastes like So guys, here at Davelan, pwede kayo dito like yung mag-bike and also like picnic because yung view dito is super ganda. Like,
Jogging din.
yung expectation nyo talaga is sobrang taas po na.
You know what? What I love Davelan is the people.
So
Like
people around there is
like
so very,
Welcome.
mabait.
yeah, very calming sila. Lalo na
That's
Yeah.
why I taught myself to look for the beauty in it.
yung unang punta ko dito, like super nila, welcoming, like they're gathering around kasi di ba nagtitinda sila. And
Hindi ko napuntahan, hindi ko naabot.
all the vendors, like they're so friendly, like come here, come to our store, like bumili ka something ganun. Grabe.
Yeah.
At saka the good thing kasi affordable lang talaga lahat ng binibili. Kaso ngayon, wala na sila dito sa Old Davelan. So they have a new, right?
Yes.
They have a new.
Yung
they have a
new Davelan.
So guys, we almost done. For our next stop, it's ano nga bang next destination
Carmona
natin?
Park.
Carmona Park.
Gonna, eat na naman doon and then have fun. Meron naman kasing like slides
Playground
there,
and
yeah,
all.
there's playground. And also you can take like pictures with your friends there because there are spots.
Especially, sa Carmona Park, sobrang ganda niya pag
And it's look like Disneyland.
Right. Low budget.
It has a palace.
Disneyland low budget
So,
daw.
are you guys ready?
I think I'm not ready, like.
Yeah, bulay.
So, ato na lang, ano na lang tayo ng some questions about Davelan. So, for my first question, what is what is your memorable experience here in Davilan? My memorable experience here in Davilan is yung una kong punta dito. First time kong punta dito is with my family. So napakaganda nun kasi unang punta ko pa lang memorable na talaga kasi pagpunta namin dito is talagang maraming vendor and maraming tao din kaming nakasabayan. And what I love that in that day is talagang umakto yung sunset. Talagang ang ganda ng sunset dito noon. And naging masaya talaga kami nung araw na yun. And that's my memorable experience here in Davilan. So, what is yours?
My memorable experience here in Davilan, nag-walk lang kami. Tapos, we talk to each other, gano'n. Nag-picture lang. Tapos yun lang. We also, went there. Yung para makita mo lahat ng view.
Nakalimutan ko sasabihin ko. So, what is your memorable experience here in Davilan? Road trip? Something
Like that?
road trip, broom broom. Tapos,
Sumemplang nga.
sumemplang siya, guys.
Ano pa?
So, for my last question, ano sa tingin nyo, ano yung main reason bakit binabalik-balikan ito ng tao?
Siguro dahil sa beautiful scenery and also sa atmosphere tsaka vibes ng Davilan. Hindi kasi natin masasabi na contaminated or polluted na yung lugar na to. Dahil makikita natin yung mga sobrang green ng lugar na to. Sobrang lamig din kahit mainit kasi nga dahil sa mga puno. And siguro dahil sa mga stall na nakikita natin.
Philippines, please
For
join.
me, I think it's because people wants to reconnect with nature. Kasi diba nagiging city na nga ang Carmona and then nawawala na yung mga greeneries, especially yung mga palay na papalitan ng mga building and new establishments. Kaya yung way na lang ng people na makapag-reconnect sa nature is going here sa Davilan.
Ganda nun. So, for me naman, I think the main reason kung bakit nila binalik-balikan is yung people. Kasi, di ba, the way mag-talk yung mga vendors natin here in Carmona, yung very welcoming, tsaka parang wala silang bias. Kumbaga, lahat fair sila magbigay, fair sila mag-priority ng lahat ng customers. So, siguro, ayun din siguro yung main reason bakit sila binakbalikan, yung good quality ng pag-serve nila, tsaka yung siniserve nila. Goodbye!
We're here at the third location, which is at Carmona Park, and we're here to show you all the beautiful sceneries that you and your friends can
Enjoy the view, the playground, and also their food.
You guys can sit around here while enjoying the scenery, while enjoying your time.
Yes, and now I'm so excited. Like maglaro kami like ng slide and more. So here in Carmona Park, we can heal our inner child, di ba? So let's go.
잠깐 좀만 더 그 입술 너 멈춰 Take 5 너와 난
So now we're going to like the playhouse tawag pa dito. Kalapit lang siya sa mga stall. Malapit lang po talaga. Kasama ko pa rin ng nag-iisang Rabiel. At ayun sila Mike. Guys, now we're here at the playhouse.
Yan guys, nasa playground kami kasi ito naman talaga yung pinunta namin dito. Not just to eat, but
Also
to enjoy
and to heal our inner child.
Di ba't mo ako tinatanda? So, hi everyone! This is us again. So, finally, kasama na namin yung isa naming member. So, who are you?
Hello guys, it's me, Erwin.
So, now we're here at
B.
Sugar Blitz Cafe. So, ayan, we're here. And now, we're waiting for our
Time
order.
check.
Yes. Time checks.
9:10.
It's already, oh my god,
9:08.
9:08. Okay, 9:08.
Feel ko yung maleta ko nasa labas lang.
Ay! All we gonna do tonight is,
Late.
yes, to
What
be
is
enjoying,
this?
drink.
So, tonight we're gonna be playing Monopoly. We don't know how to properly play it,
Yes.
so
Sabi hotel
Michael will teach us
Yes.
how to play it so that we can learn.
I'm gonna be your trainer for
Let's start.
So,
playing.
wag na natin itong patagalin pa. Arat na!
Yung vibes dito is, marirecommend ko talaga siya sa inyo kasi worth it yung pagpunta nyo dito. Sobrang
I
ganda.
want you lang mag-relax, like, mag-unwind.
Oh,
ganun.
hindi.
If gusto nyo din ng aesthetic vibes,
300.
punta na kayo
Oh,
dito.
pwede rin kayo mag-study dito kasi up until 12 a.m.
Yes.
Tsaka may mga games daw na pwedeng laruin.
So, I'm gonna demonstrate the mechanics of the games. So, okay, let's start.
Horse first.
Go na, game. Ubi, ano mo?
Ay, bawal
Bilis
ba
lang, wag na. Ah, dito na guys.
Akin
Stay.
yan.
Sa'yo yan. Oh, wala kang pake.
Yung akin.
Ay, si Kuya, may secret weapon.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Ay, ang mahal! 2,000. Taste test! Ang test?
Sarap.
Ako.
Ang sarap
Try
ng
natin, so.
libre, be.
Wait lang,
Hindi na
wait lang, ano ko muna.
Yung hindi na punch.
Picture ako.
Wait lang, taste test.
Anong pangalan?
Hindi daw na-punch.
Anong pangalan ko? Sino kayo? Be, nasan ako?
OMG, nakalimot siya sa sarap.
Be, nasan ako, be?
Nakalimot siya sa sarap,
Taga
guys.
Mindanao ako.
NPA.
Grabe.
Masarap.
It's very good.
Ayan siya, papik.
Thank you, thank you.
Kuya, kailan pa nag-start ng business?
Nag-start kami ng Sugar Blitz business noong 2021 up to 16.
So, ano po yung naging inspiration nyo sa naging pangalan po ng shop?
Dati siyang Sugar Blitz Cakes. So, si Mrs. nagbe-bake na siya noon.
How do you interact
Well, first, it depends lang. So, once they enter the shop, so you have to check first the facial expression, kung what's the reason or what's their purpose of going to the cafe, diba? And then from there, you can, especially him, magaling siya mag-handle ng mga customers. So, pag nakikita niya yan na, ma-identify mo kasi if they're here to stay longer, then you offer them something na cold or sweet na. So it depends. And then pag medyo actually no, ang pinaka na magko-contribute kung paano mo i-handle yung mood ng tao is yung environment sa labas. So if it's hot, natural sila mainit din. Eh di mas lalo sila nag-init ang ulo.
Haba.
So offer them something that makes them the mood medyo lifted ng konti.
Pag nilalamig sila, ayan, order nila. Crab.
And then same din naman, di ba katulad ngayon, gloomy yung weather. So mas maganda, bigyan mo sila something that will uplift naman, like more sugar, edi sugary drinks, like yan yung mga binigay namin sa inyo kanina.
For-
Edi medyo naging hyper din kayo. Kasi you look happy eh, di ba?
Yes po.
Look.
For the last question po, paano po nag-success from dati po like ano lang po kayo, nasa garage lang po. Ngayon po like meron na po kayo talagang
So katulad ng sinabi niya kanina, we didn't started as cafe. So we started as a cake business. So back in UAE, nagbe-bake na kami. So we do customized and artisan cakes. So yun yung mga fondant. And then from there, nung nag-decide kami na bumalik dito, we invested into one coffee machine na pambahay lang. So parang gusto niya explore din and then share it to the other people here kasi pansin namin walang nagko-coffee dito, walang coffee shop. So meron dito yung mga snacks lang pika-pika. And then we tried, supposed to be sa Davilan. Pero nung sa Davilan kasi medyo mahirap makakuha ng spot, di ba? And then we decided na dito na lang, para out of nowhere yung table. Nilagay namin, nakaka-relate ka ba? And then, nag-table lang kami dito. Nagulat kami kasi magandang reception ng tao. And then from the table, nagdagdag kami ng chairs. So may mga dine-in na. And then may mga, actually yung customers yung nag-recommend sa amin or nagsasuggest sa amin na bakit hindi kami maglagay ng ganito, bakit hindi kami magdagdag ng ibang food sa menu. And then yung drinks nag-expand. Yes. Tapos eventually, awa ng Diyos, na nag-try kami yung enclosed naman siya para medyo may privacy tsaka para hindi na limited yung noise ng mga tao, hindi nakakaya sa kapitbahay kasi naka-enclosed naman.
So hi everyone, for our last destination, taray, ay sa Calzada! Road. Ito na ang last destination naman guys. Popular, ito pinupunta ito sa Carmona. Kung makikita mo yung mga vlogger, mga content creator, napunta din sila dito. Kasi girl, the one and only. Missing someone. Luis Leo. Yes, kita. Ikaw. May kwarto tayo kasama. Oo. For the picture. Barilan ako. Ay! Barilan puksaan. Ayan na! Ayan na! Puksaan na yan, girl. Parapa mo. Parapa.